tour, my first apartment tour, first place without my parents. So we'll begin. Okay, this is what it looks like when you walk in. You have like a combined kitchen and living room. This is the first closet. It is the washer and dryer. Then we have the fridge, and then we have that closet, which I don't know what is in there. It's locked all the time. Here is the kitchen. These decorations is my roommate's. My roommate is of legal drinking age, if anyone was wondering. Okay, and then we have the kitchen. I don't know what to say. These are my bananas. I just bought them like 2 days ago. These ones are my drawers. These ones are her drawers. Okay, so it was a fully furnished apartment, so we didn't buy any of this stuff. I think my roommate bought some of these pillows though. So there's that. There's our TV. I didn't even know how to use the TV, to be honest. Here is our beautiful view of the parking lot. We have that random chair there. I don't know why it's there. We have like a blue storage thing. That's my roommate. Rug, I'm pretty sure came with the apartment too. And so did like the wall decoration. There's like our little island thing. I don't know if these came with the apartment. I think they did though. But she was here before me. I'm subleasing, so I don't really know what was here before she came. Okay, so that is her room. And then this one is my room. Okay, we'll go into my room. Okay, so this is what my room looks like when you walk in. Here is my desk. This is my closet. So I have my desktop, my laptop, and then I have these butterflies behind it. I made some of the butterflies and I bought some of the other butterflies. Then we have my bed. Okay, so my comforters, I have 2 comforters. They're both from Walmart. These fuzzy pillows, okay, these 4 pillows are all from Five Below. These ones are from Amazon. This one's from Walmart, and then the back 2 are from Walmart. The tapestry is also from Amazon. These 2 little things I painted myself. You have my wall of photos. I picked out all of the photos myself, and then I got them printed out at Walgreens. So now we have my window and my side table. So I have a picture of my dog and then I have the little plant, I think it's from Marshall's, and then the frame of my dog is from the dollar store, and then the little horse from the dollar store. This wall is like a gay wall, I guess. I think I made like, yeah, literally every single thing on that wall. I made every single thing on that wall. I have a video of me making like half of it if you want to watch. Then I have my ring light, which I'm not using right now, which I should be using because it's super dark, but I didn't think it would look this dark. Then I have this wall of stuff. So the middle one is from Marshall's. The 2 other big ones are actually from Shein. And then these little ones are from the dollar store. And then the yellow one with flowers is from Target. And then the bottom one with the shells, I made that. Then we have my table. I got the table from a thrift store, and then I glued like a bunch of magazine clippings on it. And then I have a couple collages that I made. I have a basket that just has like, it has like chargers and stuff in it. And then I have my little board, which I have like only one thing on so far, but it's like a little bulletin board. It has Julian Assange's name. I cut it out from a magazine because I saw like an article about him in there, and I just think he's super inspirational. So I put him on my little board. And then I have my name written down. My closet is like low-key messy right now, so I don't want to open it. But I have a few of my bags like hanging on it right now. And then right by my bed, I have my drafting board, which I need to return because I'm no longer in my drafting class anymore because I dropped out. So now here we have my bathroom. We both have our own bathroom, which is super nice. When I go in the bathroom, it makes this sound, which is super annoying, but like I don't know how to not do it. Like when I turn on the light, it does it. So it's either gonna be in like total darkness or like it makes a sound. So I'm sorry, I'm apologizing in advance for the sound. Yeah, see, you literally can't see anything if I don't turn on the light. That makes an annoying sound. Boom. Okay, I know this doesn't make sense for bathroom decor, but I have some more like pictures printed out. I just like didn't know what to put there, and it was like a blank space, and I didn't want to keep a blank space. So here is this. My mirror and stuff. I have my makeup here. I have some hairbrushes here. I have my soaps, my body spray. I have my toothpaste and toothbrush. Okay, I'm also aware that this doesn't make sense for bathroom decor, but I also just didn't know what to put there. So I have this little stringy thing I made, and we have my toilet. Okay, so then we have my bathtub. So the shower curtain is from Target. This is what it looks like on the inside. I also have some like towels hanging here. We have a pink and a purple one, and we have some pajama pants that I didn't put away. I don't know why I hung it there. But yeah, that's my bathroom. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed my apartment tour. Woo! There's my apartment tour. It's pretty nice. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, you should like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on my Twitter and Instagram. Add me on Snapchat because I had every single person back. And that's the end of my video. Goodbye!